Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the logos that I put on my baseball cap gift box. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a baseball cap gift box, I've put the link in my description box. Let's get started! I downloaded the logos from Google. On your Design Space app, click Upload Image. Click Browse. I have my file saved in my SVG folder, and then I'll click the logo that I want to upload, then click Open. And then here I'll just choose Complex, then click Continue. And then from here we're just going to remove the background, and I'm doing it manually by selecting the unnecessary background. Then click Apply and Continue. And then from here we have two options, Cut Image and Print and Cut Image. We're going to choose Print and Cut Image. Then click Upload. Now we have our first logo, and I'm going to upload another logo that I'm going to be putting on my cap. So the step is just pretty much the same. And then here I'm just choosing Simple because it doesn't have any background. Now that our logos have been uploaded, click the two logos and add to canvas. Now you can adjust the size of the logos to your likeness. Click Make It. Now I'm adjusting their position because I don't want them too close together. Then click Continue. Then from here, click Send to Printer. Then I'm just gonna turn off the Add Bleed. Then click Print. After it's done printing, choose your material. Since I'm using a printable sticker, I'm gonna choose Printable Sticker White. Click the Flash and Go button on your machine. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!